We have a rare Apple One computer signed by Steve Wozniak coming up to auction. It was just restored in September of 2020. And some expect it will fetch $400,000, maybe more than $400,000. Obviously, a special computer, the computer that started it all for Apple, founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why did I not realize it was two Steves? It is two Steves,
yeah.
right? I don't know why I never noticed that.
He's the second Steve.
You want to start a computer company, find yourself a Steve real quick, because you're probably going to be off to the races. Anyway, this is a unique one because Steve Wozniak himself signed the box, and it's been restored to perfect condition. This is the computer that started it all, which at the time, I know you look at it, Will, and you're like, my God, what is that? At the time, that was a really integrated system, because prior to that, you were actually having to install your own components onto your own motherboard to get a full working motherboard shipped to you. Was very innovative at that moment.
Right.
Believe it or not. But anyways, this is coming up to auction shortly, so some collector's going to be all over this. Included in the lot is a program from the 2005 UCLA event where Wozniak signed the box, along with an image of the current owner with Wozniak. So that gives you proof that it's the real deal, authenticated by Wozniak himself. Some of these units have sold in the past, other Apple One units, though they are, of course, becoming more rare. And in the past, in 2019, a computer in Apple One sold for $500,000. Although back then they expected that one to sell for $650,000. So maybe the 2020 thing is going to even hurt the sale of this, because collectors are pinching pennies and they don't even want to put this in their museum. This would be cool to have in like a glass case at our new studio, the Apple One.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to pull out
pedestal or
400 grand for it though.
No. Although,
Maybe you can lend me.
maybe
You can lend me a few bucks, and then
sure.
it won't hurt so much. I don't know.